Guys, so in this tutorial video we are going to learn how to transition from a side plank into a runner's lunge. So just for starters, this is an advanced movement. So if you're still a beginner, you can definitely watch the video, try the video. I would never want to discourage anyone from trying something new in yoga, but also keep in mind it is an advanced posture, or excuse me, an advanced transition. So don't let it scare you off, but also remember that you will get strong enough to be able to do it gracefully, okay? All right, so let me show you the two poses that we're gonna be in, and then we're gonna transition into them. So a runner's lunge, first off, is going to be here. My front knee is nice and long, or excuse me, my front knee is bent 90 degrees. So you want to try and make sure that the knee and ankle are in line. You never want your knee to extend over the ankle. So you're here. Your foot is about in the middle of your mat. Hands are planted on either side of your foot. Your back leg is nice and long. All right, you're on your tiptoes. This is your runner's lunge. Okay. Now I'm going to show you side plank. Side plank you get into from a high plank. Rotate over, stack the feet, and we're going to float the foot, bend the knee, rotate on the back toe, and step the foot up front. Runner's lunge. Okay. Like I said, this is an advanced transition. Give yourself time to practice it. That requires a lot of muscle engagement, a lot of breathing, a lot of focus. All right, so we're gonna do it on the other side now. So you're gonna go from your high plank into your side plank, which if you're rusty on your side plank or you just want to brush up, there is a side plank video available on the website. You're going to float that top leg, rotate on the back toes, step. It's all about control, all about finding that finesse. Did this always look this nice for me? No. So it could also look something like this. Notice how my foot made a sound when it was hitting the top of the mat. There's nothing wrong with it. What it simply means is that you just need to work on engaging the muscles and just getting a little bit stronger. So where your strength is coming from in making that transition is your core. It's your core, finding that stability in the core and on your standing leg, your bottom leg. I'm gonna switch sides. High plank, side plank. So right now I wanna make sure that my core is engaged. Then I'm floating that top foot. I'm keeping the engagement. Bending the knee, rotating, stepping. It's going to take a few times, or if it doesn't, awesome, you're really cool. Okay, so let's discuss engagement and eye gaze. So in your high plank, gaze is going to be right here at the top of my mat. Side plank, I'm going to move it from the top of my mat to just outside of my standing hand. I'm engaging so when I'm in my side plank, I gotta sit down. So when I'm in my side plank, I'm engaging my side body that is closest to the ground. I am gripping my mat through my fingertips. So my hand is flat on the ground, but it's more like this. Can you see the shape of my hand? So it's more like that than like this. So almost as though you're trying to cup your palm onto your mat. So now my lower side body is engaged. I am engaging both of my glutes. I'm engaging my pelvic floor. My bottom leg is fully engaged. Then when you float the foot, same thing. You're going to start to engage that leg. Squeeze the glute, squeeze the quad, hamstring, flex the foot, bend the knee, step. And there you have it. I know I probably make it look simpler than it really is, but I've been practicing for a while, and there are days definitely where I try to do that transition and it's not happening. I'm falling out of my side plank, or I'm just not able to get my foot up to the top of my mat. Just take those days as they come. All right, guys? So keep practicing. I hope you enjoyed this video. And that's it. Questions, comments, concerns, you know I'm always here. Have a great day.